he opens up, I will freak.
Why? It's not real, Gigi. It's not real.
Rah! Troy, don't even. I get you, Butterfinger. Yeah, that kind of freaks me out.
This one they let you take your own.
I know. I'm strapped too, because he'll wake up and get you.
He's got a cool rich shit. Here, and I'll take your staff, and you can take one. Oh, it says you can take two. It's a little crazy. It's okay. I got you. Here. All right. Watch out his feet. You could take two. Yeah. Yeah, they're all good ones. Okay, put them in your basket. All right. Watch your step here, Beans. Here, hold on to that. Is he a little scary? Yeah.
It says pick two, please.
You get two.
Two.
Just two, though.
Here's two for you. Aria, I'll just get you two, okay? Here, Aria. Oh, hold on. Yep, here you go, Ring.
All right, tell Jason
All right, come
thank
on.
you.
Let's go. Say thank you, Jason.
Thank you, Jason. I like it. Come on.
All right.
Go!
Go!
Go get 2 pieces of candy and come back.
Let's go. Move.
Two pieces.
No, somebody.
Oh, Lord. Hold on, let me record.
Daddy, it's not funny.
I see they skin.
Ooh.
1, 2. I see they skin.
I got me and Kiari too. Y'all gotta get y'all own.
2 pieces. Okay. Just 2.
That is somebody. I can see the eyebrows.
Here, it's okay.
Oh, let's go, kid.
What's up? Don't wake him up. Let me go down, let me go back. Okay? I don't know if they're I'm scared of you. They have the bucket out. Oh.
They went away from the
There's no one in the cage.
All right.
Oh my God, it's gonna jump.
Okay.
Get you.
Bowl, you gotta grab a piece of candy from the bowl. You want me to do it for you? Here, I got it. I'll do it. Here. No. You leave your candy. Go grab a piece of candy. It's okay. You want mommy to do it? Here. Money, you okay?
Go ahead, I'm right here.
Go ahead. It's okay. Is that perfect? I don't think so. Go ahead.
No, it's just Halloween.
Go ahead.
I want to go say hi.
Come on, come on. Go ahead. Okay, good job.
Wait, is it real?
No, I don't think so. Loading.
Is it a real fish? I don't think it's a real fish.
I scared him.
You're gonna wake him up. Don't touch him. Alright, no. Alright, alright, right here. This is scary. I got it.
Ready for me?
Yeah, there's a bag.
Did you jump there? No, he doesn't. I won't. That scared me. Trick or treat. Is he alive? Is that a real person? No. You lost me. Mom. Nah, I got scared one Halloween. I'm not getting scared the next.
Yo, what's up?
Mine.
It's not real. It's not real. It's not real. I looked at his arm. Oh yeah, it's not real. That's so real.
One, two, three. Pick two, please. Oh, you're going to take two. Okay. Hold this. Take two. You want two, right? You want me to grab two? You want me to grab it?
That looks very scary. Oh man, that guy looks really scary.
Honey, it's just a costume. You can reach in and take a piece. You can reach in and take a piece.
She really got scary from the scary costume? Okay, I thought that was a person.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. No.
Go get
No,
it.
they should do it to the older kids, not the little ones.
Hold on, I want a picture.
I don't want her to fall off
She
the
wants a
horse.
picture.
Grab it. Grab the candy off of his lap.
Watch out, Dave. Is that a real person? Right,
Wow.
Dave, watch
There's
out.
only
Step
one
back
way
one.
to find out.
Alright.
Alright, kick him.
Hey.
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 Hey, don't do
Ow.
that.
Not real.
You don't touch it though.
I mean, he is real.
Basket.
Hey.
In your
Hey.
basket.
Hey.
I'm checking my feet.
You know how this works?
Junior.
Did you grab one,
Junior's
Zoe?
not here.
Zoe. Oh, look at this. Is that a real pumpkin? Did you get a piece of candy? Okay.
It's not a real person, Dad. Dad.
What's it?
It's fake. Pick one. Take one piece.
Hello.
It's not real. He's like, hello. Put it in. Come on. No, he poked him in the head. He's like, hello.
come to life. Hello? Is there anybody in there? I'm scared. I'm gonna kick you. Hello? Yeah, it's just fake. If you come to life, I'm scared. It is take two.
Take two.
Actually, no.
Over me.
Okay, grab two from the baby.
Here.
Grab two for Sia and two for the
What's
baby.
up? What's up?
Two for the baby.
Hello?
Stop, Jason. Come on, two for the baby. You're scaring her. Come on, hurry up. She's getting scared. Okay, she's getting scared. Come on, Ryan.
You got some for me, sister? Thank you,
Go.
sister.
Oh, I know he's gonna scare us.
Real person?
Yeah.
Is that you gonna scare yourself? Yeah. Good person.
Are you real? Are you real? Let's get that one. No! There's one right here. Johnny, come here! Your best friend's over here! But I'm scared to take it! I'm scared to take this! Let's take two. Yeah. Oh my god. Johnny, your bestie, he's right there. Come on. Oh my. What is this? Hi, Jason. Gotta get candy over here. Take two candies, he said. Take two candies.
Take two, please. Take two.
Take two, hurry up. It's not like mallet real, right? This is not real.
No, it's not a person.
No. Don't stay here. Just.
I think he is.
Is someone gonna knock out? I'm scared. No, she's getting sick. Is that real?
No.
Don't make me sick.
Is that real?
Thank you. Help me.
Okay.
Oh, you have me.
Dude, someone across the street. Chuck, if someone's like, people like that.
Please. Let me do it. Please. Fire Joe, too.